Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a quick tutorial with you on how to properly clean your hair extensions before using it as your protective style. As you can see, I took out the normal hairband and had my own elastic hairband to secure the hair. If you are someone with a sensitive scalp, I think this is the best way to clean your hair extensions. So guys, let's dive into it. I already have my water prepared with some drop of shampoo. Now I'm gonna put the hair into the water and start pressing very gentle, okay? You want to be gentle when you're doing this. You don't want to squeeze it or try to wash it like a cloth because the hair will be tangled. This is the shampoo I use, the Cantu shampoo. Now you're gonna start pressing, okay? Just press the hair in, and afterward you will take it out and press the soap out of the hair. Did you see what I'm doing? I'm just pressing the soap out of the hair without squeezing the hair. So I will go to the next step. I will repeat the same. Press the hair into the water. Press with your hand. Just press it in, very gentle. Take it out and press the soap out of the hair. So now I am done with shampooing. Now I will rinse the shampoo out of the hair before adding my hair conditioner. By rinsing it once, it is okay. It's not necessary to rinse it more than once before adding your conditioner. But after your conditioner, you can rinse it more than twice, okay? Did you guys see the hair texture? It's not tangled, it's not squeezed, anything like that. This is Miley hair extensions, by the way, okay? So you're gonna press the water out of the hair. Likewise, I did to the shampoo by pressing the shampoo out of the hair. Okay, now I'm gonna add my hair conditioner. This is the conditioner I used, just a normal conditioner. It's not really necessary to use a deep conditioner. With normal conditioner, that is okay. I'm just gonna take a little bit and start pressing it into the hair. Just press it in, and with that it is okay. You can leave it for 5 minutes, then afterward you can rinse it out again, okay? Just with 5 minutes it is fine. Rinse it out and hang it somewhere in your bathroom. Leave it for a few days, it will dry. You don't really need to dry it with heat, okay? So guys, that is it for today. As you can see, it is very quick, easy to do. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you find it useful. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, leave your comment down below, share with your friends and family, and like because it might help them out. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye.